Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place as Ishal Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the reading and hope to see you again. Someone may end up saying this to you, or you may hear, like on call, or you're going to hear in voice call, or like a note, or a message, or hope to see you again. So, this energy could be someone who is missing you or interested in you, or they met you somewhere once or twice, but they want to see you again. Someone is going to be so interested in you in the coming time that they're going to end up saying these things to you. So, hope to see you. Hope to see you again. So, if you wish to support the channel, you may do so via hype, like, share, comment. Also, what? Yes, PayPal, GPay ID, Pay ID. I really appreciate it. Okay, all those who are doing, thank you, and it does support me. Now, the message for you, Aquarius, is that there's this tired soul, TIRED, tired soul. Whose soul is this? Who's tired? Is this your soul, or is this someone's soul? Because I feel like they're walking. The soul is tired walking and experiencing um, like whatever they have experienced till now. Every soul is going through the process of learning and everything, but what I feel here very strong is that the soul, whoever is walking. And as if like they're tired because of the walk, they're tired because of they never got the one. Like you could be the one. You are the one possible for this person, and they are going to be the one for you. That's why possible you two souls are tired, or tired soul is here. That's what I heard. And the card over here is also, it's because I got the message prior, and then I got this card, Five of Cups, which is interesting because here they're tired emotionally, or they're tired of their past and recent distant past experiences with friends or with romantic partner or people they dated. I mean, all the processes, okay? So basically, they're tired with those things they've gone through. And now they're hoping, because this energy is not giving up, they are hoping to see the love of their life, to meet the love of their life. And I kind of get this energy that you are their soul connection, okay? So the one who is right now tired and walking, they're looking for their cup, their love. And they are one cup and you're the other. So you people are going to bond and you will become two of cups. Happy person, happy people, happy couple, happy energy. That's what. This is something that I saw, and I just kept it because I feel like um, this card is not about standing there for forever. This card is about not giving up and moving in a direction where you are, or if you are walking where they are. There's going to be a bridge that is going to connect you and this person. So if you haven't met, you're going to. All I know is sometimes it takes time. And I'm not possible a reader for everyone. But I know for people I'm talking and connecting, there's a bridge. And for some of you, you need to know that people ask me the question. I do go through the comments, of course, as much as I can. I try, okay? That when the call is going to come or when this connection is going to happen, because these are the basic questions when people are in no contact, okay, or things like that. So for them, it's the energy of like someone maybe who is regretting, who is sad or disappointed. And if you are tired, you're supposed to have a final communication with this person. And I do want to say, you go ahead and do, okay? If you have trouble waiting, and you feel like they're not calling or they're not messaging, and I don't know which communication you had, the last conversation, I don't know because it's your timeline. Because for those things, you need to have a private reading. So if you don't want to go for a private or something, then what you can do on your own is that you just you just try and talk. Okay, you'll get the answer. If they don't talk, means they don't want to. Clear. If you may start with a message first of all, because if there is something, nothing left in this person's heart for you or mind, what do you expect from them, or vice versa? So what I feel like, this particular card is telling me that people are in trouble right now. They're tired, waiting on something possible. Okay, and they're hoping that it's going to go well. But I feel like someone is already crossing, or they've already crossed the bridge of like, I don't want this anymore. And you are still there. Possible for some of you, you're still there and thinking about what should I do. You should contact, talk, and clear this out, and then break the bridge. If it's not happening, it's not happening. It's not going to even later on happen. Please have a reality check. I cannot lie. I don't want to put you in any fantasy or delulu or something like that. Okay, don't stay in there for long. Now, this particular card, now things can turn in your favor. If you talk, maybe they're waiting and things may go well. Just have the communication, but just don't regret it. Okay, waiting. Don't. Why should you? Clear out that page once and for all. I will always say that. Always. Because the more you wait and more it's not coming, more anxiety is going to be there and more regret is going to be there, and wasting your time. No, you should not do that. Now, okay, getting back to your message, when I said tired soul, whoever is going to come in your life is going to be like this. Okay, it's someone you're going to give a piece of cake, kind of like literally, you're going to be so sweet for this person. Like, it's going to be like it was difficult for them to breathe in hot or heat wave, and you came as like this, like a bubble of fresh air, and they're going to be like, whoa, and they're going to be like, wow. Like, you're going to enter in their life, right, like a stream of water, however you want to put that. But this is Page of Cups. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces could be. There could be age difference. Okay, age gap could be, not necessary for all. But this is all the reading is all about. It's all about coming with the wave, kind of. Anyways, but this is what is coming for you. Someone is interested in you. I'm telling you that. Okay, and they are going to be coming around and talking to you, and this person is from different habitat. Same goes for you, because you're also different for this person. Different habitats, different culture, possible different places, possible different countries, cultures, anything could be. But whoever is coming, there's going to be a special communication and special feelings. Someone is holding special feelings for you, and even if it's not out yet, it's there. Okay, it is there. 080 recording time. In coming 8 days or 16 days, something is going to start changing. Okay? Oh, something is going to start changing. You have Two of Wands energy. Something unpredictable, unexpected is going to happen. Someone is going to connect, and there could be geographical distance, as I said. So this person is also missing you from far, or someone is also planning to meet you in coming 2 weeks. Could be 7 days, 14 days, 16 days, as I said. Yeah, yes, okay. There are pages, messages I see, okay. Union of some sort, emotional union of some sort. Pisces could be, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius could be. This person is coming for stability, okay. These cards just flipped, kind of. There's a new chapter in your life, okay. Some of you have been waiting on breaking the ice and like no contact situation. So you just have free will, and just go with the free will, and you break the silence if they're not doing it. Because some people are rigid and some people are stupid. Because they're stupid because they're letting you go. So if you've been part of their life and you've done so much for them, they're stupid. Yes. Now you people should go in with IDGAF. You know what does that mean? You should go in with I don't give a fuck. But if you cannot, I don't give a. So you break the silence and know what is going on. You'll know. This is for those people who are waiting on. Okay, and because this is a card of I don't give a f, the Fool card, especially in the situation of no contact. So if you people are going through this, if you cannot cut the crap, if you cannot, wait. I mean, you should not wait. Wait in a way of like just waiting for them. No, don't. Stop it. Stop it. My suggestion for you is like just don't waste your time. Okay? And I'm not saying that it's easy, but I'm saying that you can do it. So if you have that desperation and craving that I need to know what is going on in this person's mind, you talk. You go with no complications. My suggestion is just go and ask them with the free will questions, okay? And if they don't give you proper answers, what you're supposed to do? You need to do this then. Okay, fine, I don't want. But people don't listen. They don't, because they go with their own concept of some things. But what I see new things here is the new chapter, new world, okay? Some new communication coming through. Pages coming through. 11:11 recording time. Could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Someone want to know you. So this could be new energy, new territory. Very emotional person. Okay, a lot of bark left. Some of you are going to have a lot of communication. These cards were not supposed to come out, but they came out in like a bunch, and they said that just talk. So, okay. So let's see what is coming in Peekaboo after Two of Wands, because there is some connection coming through. I can tell you that. There is some connection coming through, and this person is at a distance. They are craving to meet you, or they're going to have this craving, and they're going to be so feeling overwhelmed that I want to talk, because they are a tired soul and they want you to be in their life. And the peekaboo in the future is this Nine of Pentacles. You know what is this? There is beautiful. Look, you are an independent person, whether you are woman or man. This is a female energy. So this person is definitely landing in your life. This bird is landing in your life, and there's communication coming through. But that doesn't mean that you're going to get distracted from what you're holding, what you're working. You have a good hold on your work. You're an independent person. You have a free will. Always keep that in mind. While communicating, you do not distract yourself from work. That is something very beautiful for people. I mean, I am just impressed by those people who talk, okay? And it's not easy to begin with. I'm telling you that you reach to that point after a while. Some are in starting, but some reach after a while. So you do not forget your time of work. You do not forget yourself. You don't forget to pamper yourself. But they enter in your life as a new, like, a person, not thing, as a new feeling, as a new person. Okay, so this is addition. You take things as addition, okay, and you subtract it if they are not worth. And this learning does come after a while. Like this journey is going to come after seeing so many movies of Jurassic Park, after fighting so many, velociraptors and all the dinosaurs and the hybrids. You reach to a point that it's better to stay outside and lock the door. I mean, better to stay outside of the cage, I mean to say, okay? And if that being said, stay inside and lock the door from inside. So you know how to handle the situations now very well, because you understand the echoes and the voices and what you need to do. But there is this, I do feel this communication coming, and you are going to have the communication, but you, of course, you do not forget yourself in this process. That's what I mean. So the moral is that you know how to take care of yourself, okay? You know that, okay, fine, I'm not like that. Like, I'm not going to waste my time, but I'm going to talk. I'm going to. So, like, enjoying the time frame as well, figuring out, being open to, but let's see what is coming. So be ready. Okay, ready, because you'll know. Just it's going to be knocking at the door. Okay, so you have a spirit. You're just like this. Just look at this. It's just like this, and your spirits tell you everything at the right time. Like literally, they're just there with you all the time. And if you ask for the help, they're going to guide you via any source. Trust me, they're going to give you the signal if you ask. If you do not ask, then Ask from your angels, ask from deceased ancestors, ask from your spirit guides and everything. They do tell you. Ask from universe. This is like an invisible thread, but they connect with you. Once they do, if you ask, they are going to guide you, and they tell you this is a red flag, or this is it's a wrong flag, okay, and not even the color. If you believe it, okay, believe it, because they're going to show you the pathway. So always ask. So if you're talking to someone, ask, okay, let me know anything that I need to know about this person via any source. They're going to tell you, and you'll be like, but but he was like, but he was but why this? And then you'll get more information on that. Trust me on that. Okay. Okay. Protected aura, divine intervention. Oh wow. Do you say guardian or guardian angel? Okay. So however you pronounce it. Shielding. That's what the protection I'm talking about. So you have spirit, okay? You're being protected, divinely guided, always. You have angels around, you have shielding around, you have a protected aura. That's what I said. That's what I said. Whatever I said, okay? So you're not stupid, okay? And you are an intelligent person. You know what is right and wrong for you. So, and don't take those words literally when I say, because it's just like a communication we are doing. We're channeling, so it's okay. Especially don't fall for people who say, I'm lonely. I'm alone. This happened with me. She did this with me. He did this with. How you know? You only know one side. You know the side of the person who's telling you the story. You don't know the other person's story. You don't know what they did. You don't know what they went through. There's always two sides of a coin. We all know that, right? So how you know? If you know the head side, you don't know the tail side. Don't. Just don't pass judgments on other person or other people, because you don't know them. You know, you, what if they did hurt them? Kind of like, you know. So oh wow, your card is interesting, but I want to show you first the bottom energy, observing. These are binoculars, right? Right? In Hindi, we call it durbeen. Durbeen, like to see the far, near. Yes. And I'm not talking about telescope, of course. So being watched, social media stalking, keeping an eye on you, obsessed with you. Now here, when I said something, if you need to know the other side, observe them. If you want to figure about what they're doing, see their activities, if online it is possible, or in real life. Now, other thing is that there is someone who's observing you. So you're being watched. So maybe social media stalking, someone is doing with anonymous name, a new name or no name or something like that. But someone is keeping an eye on you and they're obsessed with you. But the energy, what I talked about, is blind, okay? This energy, look at here. Look at this. There, she is having wings, okay? Searching for answers, blinded to truth, watching you online, wanting to know. For different people, different messages. Someone wanting to know about you, you wanting to know about someone, right? Watching you online, so someone is watching you definitely online and they may be obsessed with you. Blinded to truth. Now, the thing is, if they're not telling you the truth, which is they're keeping their feelings to self, or there is something connected with the truth that you need to know, that is a reality check. You are searching for answers, you are searching for the truth, okay? So someone is keeping you in blindfold as well, and you may have entered in their life like an angel, definitely. So, or someone is blindly in love with you, or blindly liking you very much, which may go well if you're a good person, okay? So, but this is a blind, okay? So this is also telling me that when you don't see something, universe intervenes and they show you things very clear. That's a shielding, that's a protection. That's your guardian angels, okay? Take care and see you soon. Bye.